Artistic Thoughts by Elena, and I got a small canvas here. Thought I'd do something a little different. I've got some gold, some red, and some purple, and I don't have too much of it left. I might have to cut the tube, you know how like you do with the leftovers of a toothpaste tube. But my friend Michelle, who is my inspiration sometimes because she is a great artist and I love her dearly, was wearing purple, red, and I don't know if she had gold, but I always like gold. But she was wearing red and purple, and I thought, whoa, that looks so pretty. So I'm just going to squirt some of the colors here and see what I get. Hopefully I get something. Look, having a hard time getting that. But I'm just going to sporadically paste it on here or throw it on here. And like I said, I might have to cut up the tube just to get the remainders of it. But I'm putting it in spots where it'll mix up. Then I got my gold. Let's see this too. Oh, isn't this fun? Especially on camera. Yeah, kind of the bottom of the barrel with this. So I'm just going to put it on where I can. Let me take this thing off. Maybe I could get more by doing that. No, it doesn't want to twist off. So. See, this is what artists do when we have nothing else to do, huh? Fight with the paint. There we go. Okay. I think I need some here in this corner. There. And I got this red, what's left of it too. I never like wasting paint. I'm terrible. I will use it to the last drop. I don't know if others are like that, but I am. Okay. Whoa. Okay. And one more here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have a little palette knife. I'm just going to mix the colors together. It's not going to be a pour, not on it right now anyway. But I think I'll start from here. And it's kind of... Okay, so this is dried really, really pretty. And it's a combination of the red and the purple and the gold that I was inspired by my friend Michelle, and when I combined the red and the purple, it kind of gave me like a burgundy. So, or the red and the purple, yeah. So I added some more gold to give it some more dimension. But I think I'm going to make some red and purple blooms with gold. So I bought this new paint. It's from Sherwin-Williams. It's called Stop. It's a really pretty red. It's almost a hint of an orange in it. But I am going to put a couple of little puddles here, hopefully. And, or we'll see how many I can get. I'm going to put 2 scoops there. Put 2 scoops there. Carefully. I'm using the house paint because it's thicker and it's more of a pillow base for me. So I think I'm just going to put 4. Okay. Now I need a napkin. Put that on there. Close this back up so it doesn't dry up. Then I'm going to get my purple. And I mix this with a lavender, a blue, and a little bit of burgundy to get the purple, this deep dark purple. And it still doesn't seem like in the bottle like it's totally mixed well. So I'm going to give it a shake here. But I want to see what I get. And I'm going to give it a pretty nice dose of it. So and then my gold. I love using gold. It just seems to brighten up everything. Then my black cell activator. And I just put a couple of drops in there in the center. And it looks like my bottle's kind of plugged up here. Let me see if I can get some more. Let me unplug this and then I'll just show you when I'm done blowing them out, okay? Okay, I'm back. These are okay. But I'm going to enhance them and see what I get. Get another paper towel here. Okay, kind of mix that up just a little too much. Excuse me. bit of a cough here. So sorry. Don't want to cough in anybody's ear here. But this one looks just a little off. Looks like it could even be another flower. So let's treat it like another flower. Okay. Not bad. I did like the purple and the red for my friend, so this is it. Does it need some green? Maybe. But I was just going for the purple and the red. And I like it. It's colorful. It's pretty. It's a little abstract. And that's what I was going for. So, thanks for checking me out.